Hi to everyone, to all my viewers that watching me out there. The people, this is, I will call it, this is Jack TV. Welcome to Jack TV. What I'm about to share with you is things that happened through my life that Jesus talked to me and shared with me. Show me the view, it show me things that's going on through the world. Things that's going on around the world. That Jesus is walking with me all day, all night. Guys, what I'm about to share with you, it's real. I'm not making any story. The thing that's happening to me every single day. There was a time when things was so tough on me. When Jesus called me and asked me to be the guy at that period of time, to be the guy he put me in a position while I was praying, the way that I see people suffering around the world. Not just people suffering around the world, people from Africa, people from Haiti. You know, the way things was going on, the war that was going on in Iraq, and the war that was going on, places, like people, the thing that was going on around the world. Eventually, when I get that call at that time, while I was in front of my computer, I was like, say, the Lord, Jesus, what can I do? What kind of work I can do? Use me. So I could, because at that period of time I see so many things that's going on. I see, what can I do? Put me in some kind of position. Use me, Jesus. And my prayer, the way that I was praying, my prayer was answered by Jesus at that period of time. And from a time then I was reading, things, about Jesus on the computer while I'm reading those things, and all of a sudden I start to feel some kind of way. I start to feel things going through inside of my body. I start to feel so many things going inside of me at that period of time. And I was like, I kept on reading things. I kept on reading positive things. Because if I'm gonna be in a position to help, because I want to prepare myself for the best, to pass those words to people, not just my word, because I was, want the words of Jesus Christ to be inside of me, to use me, the type of word that I need to say out there to other people, not just word, action also, to be in the spot, to be in the action. But my prayer was answered. See, Jesus, you Lord, use me as a captain of your team. Use me as a captain, or use me, put me in the spot. What can I do? Because I know you put me there. I must be in a position. I must be, I must have a role in this walk. My prayer was answered at that time. While I go to sleep, one night, and that sleep, while I was sleeping, I see myself wake up. That was the dream. I see myself wake up and put my finger on the ground. It's like exploded hurt. Like go inside of the world, not just the world, the universe. I was going through so many things, and I see myself fighting so many demons. And while I was doing so, I'm praying Jesus to help me, to protect me, because so many people that was captured from demons. It's like I'm going out there, say, to try to get these people out of those places. It's like I see myself in jail. You know, in that jail I was all white. The people that's praying, you know, say for them to have some type of, you know, deliverance at that period of time. And I'm going through so much, and I see myself going through so many places at that time. People running after me, and I'm in so many different places, you know, say try to saving people, going to so many different areas, flying different places. It's like at those period of time I say, Jesus, protect them, keep me protected, give me the right tools, the right equipment to moving forward, to do the right things. It wasn't easy, guys. I was in a tough position. I was called because Jesus see me like I want to help, and my prayer was answered. I want to be in a position for me to help other people, to put other people in better life, like the people that they suffering. It's like there was a time I see myself also like, it's like I feel the pain of other people. It's like the pain is going through inside of my body, and it's like I'm feeling those people pain. Even at some point also, it's like at that time when I wake up, I see a dream like I'm on Iraq. At that when there was the war in Iraq, and you know, at that period of time, it's like I say to those guys, I feel your pain, and all of a sudden, you know, see, I feel that pain go through my head for real. I'm talking about real, you know, while I'm sleeping, and I say that, and all of a sudden I'm feeling that, you know, that pressure. And I'm like, I wake up and say, Jesus, I mean, oh my God, this is incredible. And I was going through those people, what they were going through. There's so many things to be talking to you guys. This is not just, before I come here to share this news, to share my story, to share this story with you guys, you know, I have to pray and say, Jesus, give me the right word to say. You know, because this is not just my story, this is because Jesus talked to me. I'm sure this story was not just, I mean, I'm sure this thing was happened to me. I'm sure it wasn't just happened to me just for me to know it. I'm sure it has to be told to other people out there, the thing that's going on. So stay tuned, I have more to come, more story to share with you guys. Stay tuned. Click on more story. This is story 1.